Alright, hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to teach you how to make an elevator. I'm not going to make one of those complicated ones, I'm just going to make one with buttons that allow you to teleport. So let's get started. So start off by inserting a few parts. So the first part is going to be the base of the elevator. Resize it to the sizes that you want. Once you've done that, let's duplicate it and make a small block on the side, which will be our panel that will hold the buttons. So now that we've done that, we can create another part, which can be our buttons. So let's make it really tiny. And we can also make it a fabric material because that looks nicer. And we can also change the color to something that we like. Kind of pinkish reddish color. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go and insert by right clicking and click insert object and then click script into that button, and then what we're going to do is we're going to delete everything in the script and make sure to add a click detector. Once you've done that, go and do script, go back to the script and then type in local click detector click detector. So now we're going to do on a new line, click detector dot mouse click connect function. We're going to find first, we're going to do hit. So let's just go and add hit as one of the arguments. So once you've done that, we can go and start adding some more stuff onto the script. So first, now we want to teleport the player to the next level. So what we're going to do is go back to our base plate and let's go and create a new part by inserting a block and move it up to its where you want to teleport the player. So let's just say we have it up here and we can duplicate this so it looks kind of like this. Oh, and make sure to anchor everything by just doing Control A and click anchor. So now that we see this, we have a block right here. So what we want to do is move this to the position that you want to teleport the player to, and then go to the properties of that part and just copy the position. Then what you're going to do is hit dot character move to in parentheses vector 3 dot new, and then paste in that code or those three numbers. So now if we're going to try it, it will teleport us up here. So now we pretty much got everything down and what we need to do, and now all we have to do is just duplicate it and make a better looking elevator. If you want, you can add a numbers on each one. So you can just do onto the part, insert a surface GUI. Then inside of that, insert a label. Set the label size to 1, 0, 1, 0. And then set the text to the number that you want. It's like this, but it seems like I can't see it. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on the surface GUI and we're going to set it to the position or the face that the GUI is going to point at. So it looks like it may be left, and that looks correct. So you see the font is super tiny, it's like almost impossible to see it, and you can't even read what it says. So what we're going to do is we're going to go under the text and we're going to go and click text scaled, and it looks much better. Even though it looks pretty small, so if you want, you can change the size to like something like 300. You can, which looks pretty good, but it's pretty small, which isn't very good, but there's not much that you can do besides making a decal. So also I don't want this white grayish thing in the background, so just set the background transparency to 1. And because the text is black, it's pretty much impossible to see it, so just set the text color to white. And now you can see it, although it's very tiny. So now what we're going to do is I'm going to make 3 more of these. So here's 1, here's 2, oops, and here's 3. Let me even that out a bit. So we can go and change it to 2. And let's see, go to the service GUI, and the text label, and set this to 3. So now we just go to the code, and we just set to the position that we want to teleport it to. So we can go and duplicate this, or let's just quickly build a rough draft. Alright, so if you guys want me to make a part 2 of this video, just tell me in the description. So now what we're going to do is we're going to program the positions again of it, so just insert a block, and just place it where you want it to spawn. So I'm going to this position, and then set it as button 1 because we want it to go to floor 1. So we go to the script and we change this to that numbers that we copied. Then we can go to number 2. So let's say we want to move to, let's say, how about here? We can go and copy it, this code, and go to the second one and change it. And you get the idea for each one. So we can go and remove this, and we do it again. So now if we go and test it, well actually first we need to make an elevator. Duplicate the elevator. So we're just going to Control D. Let's do 1 more time. So now if we're going to test it, we can go and move over to the elevator. So as you can see, it looks kind of weird. You can fix that pretty easily, but you know. So 1, it automatically just teleports you right here. 2, it teleports you to there. And then 3, it teleports you to the top. And that's basically it. Thanks guys for watching. Subscribe if you're new, and see you later.